Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX. Today is Sunday, February 25. So here we are looking at the weekly time frame, and here we are considering two scenarios. The primary scenario in green suggests more upside. So after this wave 1 here in the higher degree, we had the wave 2 low in the higher degree, and from here we are actually working on this wave 3 here in the higher degree. Now there are two ways to go there, which I will discuss in a minute. But first, I also want to share with you the bearish scenario here in the weekly. And the bearish scenario is showing that this wave 2 low was not in yet, but that we still have to make this wave 2 low. And the way to do this would be with an expanded flat structure. So then here we came down in 3, 1, 2, 3 as a wave A. And so now we have our overshooting wave B as an A, B, C structure. And then after this wave B, we should get a wave C down, taking out the low right here. Now, as you can see, we are approaching, or actually we have already approached the upper boundary of this overshooting wave B. So it becomes less likely that this scenario will play out here, the bearish scenario. However, we did not take it out like significantly, so therefore I would like to keep it on the chart. But what I mean is that an overshooting wave B is supposed to stay into the area between the 1 and the 1.236 pip extension of our wave A. And so as you can see, we are here at the upper boundary. So that means for the bearish scenario here, the bearish scenario in the higher time frame, we really need to start going down here as a wave C. So the bearish scenario, we cannot exclude it yet, but let's say it becomes very unlikely. So therefore, it's better to focus on the bullish scenarios. The DAX is also bullish. We are making higher highs, higher lows in the higher time frame. So like I said, we could be working here on this wave 3, and there are actually two ways that this can play out, and therefore we go to the daily time frame. So here in the daily, one possibility would be as shown in red, that we had our wave 1 here of the higher degree, wave 2 of the higher degree, and that we are now working here on this wave 3. So this is here the target area. If we take the length here of the wave 1, so length of wave 1, length of wave 2, then we know that this wave 3 should go into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. So that would be one way to go further up. However, there's also a less bullish way, could also be that we had a wave 1 here, but in the lower degree, as shown in green. Another wave 2, but in the lower degree. And so that would mean that we are still working on this wave 1, and this wave 1 should be followed by a wave 2 pullback. So where the scenario in red suggests like kind of a straight line up, here the scenario in green suggests a pullback as a wave 2. However, for the moment we do not really know what exactly will play out, but we are bullish in the DAX in the higher time frame. So what we have to monitor here is to see if we have some ending upward structures, and if that's the case, that could be a possibility that our wave 1 is in, and that we can expect a wave to pull back. But for the moment, we are not really observing this, so I would expect some more upside actually. So However, here in the daily, like if we consider the scenario in green here, so this being our wave 1, this a wave 2, then this could be here or wave 3, strongest RSI reading. And what we are seeing is that we are making new highs, but with divergence. So that would actually fit as a wave 5. So therefore, for now, I take the scenario here in green as my primary scenario. However, there's also a possibility, if we would take out the high right here by another good upward move, that we are actually in the scenario in red. And then we had here our wave 1, shallow wave 2 pullback, and then further up 3, 4, 5, finishing this wave 3 here in the higher degree. So as you can see, for some time we were still considering here a wave 2 pullback in the secondary scenario, but as we can see here on the 4 hour, so in my latest video, this scenario here in red was not yet invalidated. Now it is. So in my latest video, we were still considering a possibility that we went down here as a wave 2, as an expanded flat structure, 1, 2, 3, wave A, overshooting wave B into this area, and then a wave C down. But this scenario now clearly was invalidated last week. As you can see, my invalidation level, was indeed this high here, and we took it out. So now actually here this scenario in red, we can take it off the chart, and that would mean that if the scenario in red is still playing out, then I believe we had a shallow wave 2 correction. So this here is our corrective move after an impulse. So shallow wave 2 correction, in now further upside as a wave 3 in red, or if the scenario in green is playing out, then this here was probably a wave 4, and now we are working on a fifth wave up. So let's have a closer look here at this move up. Therefore, we go to the 1 hour. Like I said, the expanded flat scenario was invalidated, so we take this off the chart. For now, we are considering here the scenario in green, but the scenario in green actually also fits here as this in the scenario in red, actually. So this could as well be the wave 3 in red. For the moment, we do not know this yet. So then I would say that from this wave 4 low or wave 2 low, this here was a wave 1. Then here another shallow wave 2. So normally my wave 2 area is on the chart. So normally we are supposed to go into the excuse me, into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. That did not happen. Instead, we had a more shallow retracement, wave 2. And then I think from here, we are working on the wave 3. So the target areas are here for the wave 3 in the higher degree. If we take the length of the wave 1, the length of the wave 2, then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the target area for the wave 3. Here in the lower degree from this wave 2 low, it looks like so far we have 3 waves, and we are not holding here. Like, it's not a coincidence that we are holding here. Again, if we take the length of our wave 1, the length of our wave 2, then we see that the target area for this wave 3 is the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. And so for the moment, we are holding here. it looks like this move up is not over yet. If we go to the 15 minute, so also discount, we can take it off. If we go here to the 15 minute, yeah, we have a high here with divergence, so we could have something like this, but yeah, from a distribution point of view, I think you would agree that something like this would actually fit better, or would be nicer. Like so far, this looks like three waves, I would say. One, two, three, and then yeah, a fourth and a fifth wave are missing. It looks like, suppose that our wave 3 high was in here, like we could make another high here with divergence, then we have a new wave 3 high. But suppose that last Friday we made the wave 3 high here, then our wave 4 area is the area here between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. So that's an area to monitor. So I would expect at some point a wave 4 pullback, can be shallow, can be a bit deeper, but yeah, I think we are still missing a fifth wave to finish this upward structure. Like I said at the beginning, here in the 15-minute time frame, could be that we have something like this, but yeah, from a distribution point of view, this does not really look nice. It would be nicer to have yeah, to have actually something like this, with this being the wave 3, 4, 5. That would be clearly 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another update on the DAX. Have a nice day. Bye bye.